Today we're dealing with the gas laws. Boyle's law says that the pressure and volume of a gas are inversely related. So when one increases, the other decreases. The equation for this is P1 times V1 equals P2 times V2. P1 is the initial pressure. In the problem, I have added 15 liters of air to a balloon at sea level, 1.2 atmospheres. If I take the balloon with me to Denver, where the air pressure is 0.85 atmospheres, what will the new volume of the balloon be? So, 1.0 atmospheres is the initial pressure. So this would be P1. V1 is the initial volume. In this problem, 15 liters is the initial volume. P2 is the final pressure, which is 0.85 atmospheres. And the final volume is what we're solving for. So, since this is the equation, we just plug it in. So it would be 1.0 times 15 equals 0.85 times x. So first, we would have to calculate what this times this equals. So 1 times 15 is 15. And then what you do is just divide 0.85 by both sides. That cancels out. So 15 divided by 0.85 equals and since this is in liters, we have to make both of them in liters. So it would be 17.65, since we're rounding it, liters. And so Charles' law says that the volume and temperature of a gas are directly related. So when one of them increases, so does the other. The equation for this is V1 divided by T1 equals V2 divided by T2. As we know, V is the initial volume and V2 is the final volume. But now we have temperatures. So we have T1, which is the initial temperature, and we have T2, which is the final temperature. T1 in this problem, 5,000 milliliters of a gas are collected at 100 K and then allowed to expand to 20 liters. What is the new temperature? T1 in this problem is 100 K. V1 is 5,000 milliliters, and V2 is 20 liters. T2 is X, which is what we're going to find. You can never have the same label for V1 and V2 or T1 and T2. So we can't have milliliters and liters, so we're going to have to convert this to liters. And to do that, you just divide by 1,000. So 5,000 divided by 1,000 would just be 5. Now all we do is plug it in. So V1 which is 5 liters, but we don't have to put the label, over T1 equals 20 over X. So for this, we're going to cross multiply and divide. So multiply 20 times 100, which is 2,000. And then divide by 5, which is 400. And so we have the final temperature, which is 400 K.